Zanele Mbokazi's son sues his sister Yolanda Mbokazi for bribing late Zanele Mbokazi's lawyer. Subscribe to this channel so that you will not miss out on any information. In a shocking incident that has caught the attention of the legal community and the public, Zanele Mbokazi's son has filed a lawsuit against his sister Yolanda Mbokazi, accusing her of paying off his late mother's lawyer. The case, which involves family disputes and legal proceedings, has revealed many accusations and allegations, raising questions about the trust, credibility, and complexity of the cases. Zanele Mbokazi is a respected person, known not only for her contributions to society, but also for her entrepreneurship and philanthropy. After her sudden death, her estate was heavily scrutinized, especially regarding the distribution of her wealth. Zanele wanted to make her wishes clear, but that opened the door to conflict between surviving family members. Zanele's son, who asked not to be named, filed a lawsuit accusing Yolanda of malpractice and allegedly bribing his mother's attorney to get a better chance at sharing her property. Shortly before Zanele's death, Yolanda is said to have spoken with a lawyer who said that Yolanda's offer of cash to pay for changes to her will would benefit her most. These accusations are very serious because they not only question Yolanda's integrity but also question the validity of Zanele's last wishes. Her son believes that if these claims are true, Yolanda's actions are fraud and manipulation of estate planning, thus losing the most important trust in the family's legal issues. Yolanda vehemently denied the accusations, saying they were baseless and stemmed from grief and confusion after her mother's death, which led to sibling rivalry. In her complaint, she said that she only wanted her mother's wishes to be fulfilled and her property to be properly managed. Yolanda believes that her brother's trial is an act that undermines her faith and puts the family at risk during this difficult time. Yolanda asked the court to dismiss the lawsuit, saying that the charges were aggravated by emotional problems after the death of her mother. He said the family should focus on honoring their mother's memory rather than getting into a costly legal battle. This case raises important questions about the ethical responsibilities of legal professionals and the potential impact of family power on estate planning. If the court finds evidence of bribery or malpractice, it will not only harm Yolanda, but also the lawyers involved in the case. Legal experts believe that such cases depend on the credibility of witnesses and the existence of concrete evidence, such as written statements or written letters. The outcome of the trial could set a precedent for the handling of similar cases in the future, especially allegations of undue influence and fraud over family property. In addition to its legal impact, the war also had a significant impact on the power of the Mbokazi family. A close family is embroiled in a public dispute that threatens to destroy relationships. Family gatherings that were filled with warmth and support now turn into heated arguments filled with suspicion and mistrust. As the action unfolds, the emotional impact on the two brothers becomes apparent. Friends and relatives have expressed concern that the ongoing legal battle could damage their relationship and cause long-term damage that cannot be repaired. The community that once came together to admire Zanele's legacy is now divided, with differing opinions on who is worthy. The lawsuit filed by Zanele Mbokazi's son against his sister, Yolanda, is more than a legal battle. This trial involves the emotional and moral dilemmas that arise after the death of a loved one. As legal proceedings continue, Mbokazi's family is torn apart, facing the difficult task of coming to terms with the past while worrying about the future, may be settled by bitter disputes. While the public waits with bated breath, the outcome of this case will not only determine the end of Zanele Mbokazi's legacy, but will also serve as a reminder of the importance of transparency, trust, and honesty in family relationships and legal matters.